All right, super exciting part here. We are to the point where we're posting out to the actual machine. So we have all our setups done. We're ready to go. So I'm going to click on Setup Apron. Got to be careful you're not on this top setup. I want to be on Setup Apron. Also, you don't want to be posting. You don't want to be just on one of these tool paths. You want to be on the Setup Apron, and we are going to post process. So Actions, Post Process. You're going to see some information here. Program name should be your hour, your initials, and then the part that you're doing. So this is the apron. Output folder. Yours is going to probably, if you're on your Chromebook, it's going to say Post to Fusion Hub, which is good. Mine, because I'm on a computer, I can post it right to the USB. Fusion Hub output folder, it's my Woods 1 folder. I'm happy with that. The unit has to be, for this machine, has to say millimeters. This is a critical one. And then where it says save in the document, the name, I'm going to call this Apron. NC, numeric control. And I'm going to hit post. While I'm on that, I'm also going to hit Setup Sheet. And that's going to post the setup sheet. And what the setup sheet is it's going to tell you the size of your board, where the origin is, and the preview of what's happening. What the tool is, what the operations are, how long it's going to take, and the overall tool information. Next, I'm going to go to Setup Support, click on the little radio button, make sure it's highlighted, hit Post. Again, this all should be there, but if it's not, you just hit the file folder and add it in. One, or your hour, your initials, support. Output folder, it's going to go to your Fusion Hub, Woods 1 folder. Make sure it says millimeters. NC Program 3, I'm just going to call that support. NC. And hit post. Then I'm going to go to Setup Leg. Highlight it, right click, post, or go, Actions, Post. Right here, Axiom 2424, hour, initials, leg, Woods 1, millimeters, leg, NC, numerical control, post. Now I have all of my NC programs taken care of. I know that they're all set up. And I'm ready to go. I'm going to slide over to Fusion Teams. And how I can get to Fusion Teams from here is I click on the waffle and I click, it'll say there's some updated items, or I can click here. And right here is the MMG file. Download that. Download the leg. And download the support. And put them on a USB drive, and they're ready to go to CNC machine the pieces. Nice work. you're done posting.